You can easily insert any integrate Google Drive module inside WordPress page or post using Elementor editor. It's the simplest way to share, display, and manage Google Drive hosted files via Elementor editor. To enable Elementor integration, navigate to Google Drive from WordPress admin dashboard, settings, integrations, enable Elementor integration, save changes. Navigate to any page or post using Elementor editor, search for Google Drive modules, drag and drop Google Drive modules widget inside the page or post. You can add previously created modules or create a new one from scratch. To create a new module, click on Add New Module button, select your preferred module. Rename the module based on requirements. From the Source tab, select preferred Google Drive files to allow users interact with them. From the Filter tab, configure file visibility based on extensions, names, and others. Switch to the other tabs to configure additional settings for this module. Save changes. Configured module will now be inserted inside the page or post. That's how you can display Google Drive files on your WordPress site using the Elementor editor.